Synthetic identity fraud often goes undetected within financial portfolios, since synthetic identities can appear to be legitimate customers. Fortunately, existing tools and resources can empower organizations to better detect these synthetics within their portfolios. Fraudsters are developing increasingly sophisticated tactics for opening financial relationships using synthetic identities. However, certain types of activity can indicate synthetic identity fraud, and monitoring accounts can help detect fraud earlier and minimize its impact. Reviewing out-of-pattern customer activity is an opportunity to detect potential synthetic identity fraud. Anomalous activity includes atypical transactions, such as large cash advances or purchases of items with high resale value. Adding or removing numerous authorized users also could indicate fraudulent activity, and high-volume requests for additional credit could indicate a fraudster seeking to max out all possible credit before defaulting on payments. Experts suggest one of the most effective strategies against synthetic identity fraud is implementing a multi-layered approach. This includes verification of customer identity elements, use of alternative data to validate identity, and incorporation of technological processes that help detect synthetic activity. To help identify synthetics, institutions can compare account holder data to other accounts to identify common elements. Reviewing all the banking relationships a customer has across an institution may help the institution more effectively identify anomalies that could indicate synthetic identities. Building a profile to detect synthetic identities typically is based on confirmed or suspected fraud cases and the event criteria. Credit report information and history for synthetic identity fraud cases can be used to create and refine detection rules as well as to tune models. Comparing customer data can identify linked accounts and potential synthetics. For example, a financial institution can search its portfolio for the mobile device ID used to conduct transactions on a delinquent account to help identify other linked accounts and review them for potential synthetic identity fraud activity. Leveraging public records and alternative data sources may also confirm whether the customer information is valid. Reviewing publicly available data sources, such as court filings, tax records, and municipal service records, may help verify a customer's information. Employing artificial intelligence, machine learning, and other technologies may help analyze large amounts of complex data more effectively. Visit fedpaymentsimprovement.org for more information on the Federal Reserve's synthetic identity fraud efforts and to explore the Synthetic Identity Fraud Mitigation Toolkit.